Hello and welcome. Yeah, I'm sitting here in my CyberTruck. You know, I carry a lot of stuff when I travel all over the place, including a spare tire. Yeah, who carries a spare tire for their truck? I do. It's because I go places that are so far out of the way, while roadside assistance would certainly come, it may be hours. So I always carry a spare tire and a full-size 3-ton jack, something that'll lift up my CyberTruck. Today's video, I'm going to show you something I bought. I've not tested it, but we're going to see it together. It's a gate. It actually is a divider for the back of the vault here in the CyberTruck. One of the things you'll find in the CyberTruck, unlike any other truck, and I've had them all. I've had a Dodge 2500. I've had two F-250 diesels. Nice trucks, okay, I give you that. However, they are not fast. The acceleration sucks. Overall, they're wonderful trucks, but performance-wise, they don't have the acceleration. One thing you're going to find when you do buy your CyberTruck, it's like a sports car. This thing is faster than grease lightning. And I'm here to tell you, if you put anything in the vault, it's going to be moving around. And that's been my problem. Carrying the spare tire and the jack, it slides all over the place. Well, today, I'm going to try to retain it by using this wonderful Hansshow divider. You know, to solve this problem, I picked up this very cool vault cargo divider from Hansshow. Yeah, it goes right in. It goes right in there wherever you want, however deep. And this will certainly keep all the stuff forward of that behind it. Let's install it and take a look. You know, it's a very cool design. You shut that, and what does that do? Watch this. I'm going to go ahead and open the hatch, and it retracts the ends, so it actually compresses between the sides on both sides. So that should be cool. There is some adjustments using the wrenches to make sure that it fits properly. Let's get it installed. One of the cool details is these two pins fit right here in the rail, so all you have to do is line it up and it fits right there in the rail. To start the install, open the lock, and it pulls back the ends, and you just shove it in wherever you need to. I counted 7 from the tie down, but you can mount it anywhere along this rail. It's just a matter of choosing. So once I've closed the latch, it holds in pretty well, but there's some additional adjustments down here at the bottom, and we'll do that now. So you want to adjust the foot. To do that, you loosen the nut here, and using the wrench, there's a tie down nut. Then you rotate the foot downwards until you have a little bit of upward pressure by the foot, and then the thing holds in there pretty well. So you can adjust it however you feel is necessary. You don't want to have too much upward pressure. I think I'm going to go just a little more so that we make sure that this is closer to the top of the rail. It's going to vibrate a little bit, but you know what? It's okay. Tighten this one up. That's pretty good. Now remember, the whole thing with this is you have to be able to remove it as necessary. If I need to get to that stuff back here, I have to take it out. Or if you're carrying bigger stuff, you have to move it. So it's not a problem. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and then tighten the lock nuts. I'll show you how to do that. then we're ready to reinstall it. So as you can see, the lock nut, so you don't want to spin the foot, but you want to run the lock nut down because you want that foot about where you had it adjusted. So I'll just use the wrench and righty-tighty, and I lock it down. We'll do the other one. So I put my thumb on the foot, spin the nut down, and we want to tighten the lock nut without spinning the foot. Stick the wrench in, righty-tighty, lock it down. All right, let's reinstall it. Pretty easy to install. I count 7 because of my load. Your load may be different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then it'll then go up here. I extend it. Make sure we're at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, we're right there. Lock that baby down, and we are good to go. Let's see if it worked. We'll have a look at the vault cam, see if it retains the load. Yep, this is what it looks like. Gives us all this space. What do we put here? We put the eggs. That way they won't be crushed. Vault cam is installed. Let's have a run. You saw it firsthand. The vault cam reveals everything. Didn't go anywhere, did it? Hansshow makes an awesome product. You know, if you want one of these things for your CyberTruck, there's a discount down below in the comments. Have a look. If you like this video, give me a like. Pass it on to your CyberTruck friends and your prospective CyberTruck friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I've got some more stuff to show you. Thanks for watching. Take care.